driver suggested for us. Beautiful. In Belfast, Ireland. It's very cold and rainy and wet right now, but we are still having a great time. Say hi, Emma. Hi. Oop. It's so cool. Oh, it's so cold.